Are you pretty?
No, Mika's not pretty. He's a good boy.
Let him down. Oh, that's crap.
Mama, Mika's a good boy.
I'm proud of you. We're friends a long time, so I know them good things. Smart fellow, ain't he? How's it going? Must be a bad one. What's he in? Heard of? The hell you say? Wouldn't think it to look at the guy. Oh, his wife in bed was on golf from. Reasonable.
Come on, Nico. Smile. You smile, Nico. You smile. Can you smile for Mama? Hi,
Mama,
Nico.
can you get apples for me?
4 years ago,
Mom, can you
I was in
get...
Thomaston on the 2-3 stretch. Stole a car. It's a dumb fuck thing to do. About 6 months left to go. Get a new cellmate in. Elmo Blatch.
Hey, you smile. Look at Nico. He smiles. He smiles. He's smiling. See? Look at Nico. He's gonna smile. Oh, yeah. You smile? Oh, see?
Leave how strong as he was. He cuddled out far like 3 feet in the air.
Where's the smile? Go smile again. Smile, smile, smile. Wipe this. Wipe, 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 wipe.
Places he been in.
Look over here, Nico. Look, look. See? Whoa.